What's up to all of my bosses, future bosses, and aspiring bosses? I'm the head boss in charge, BeBe Nycole. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm BeBe Nycole, owner of DHG Hair Studio and DeluxeHairGallery.co for the ones that don't know. In today's video, we're going to be chit-chatting, getting real comfortable, getting real cozy, as well as showing you guys how to do this half up, half down style featuring Miss Orgin designer mix. We're going to be using this here in today's tutorial. If you're interested to see how I slay this look, continue watching. Thumbs up this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump in. I've already slicked my ponytail up, did my baby hairs to save time. I did that off camera. I just split my hair down the middle, ponytail on the top, braids in the back, and I stitched a stocking cap, actually 2 stocking caps around this back braided part, and that is that. So now I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this ponytail into a secure little top knot. I already showed you guys what you need so far. We're going to be trying out this hair, see what it's hitting for. So basically, I'll run down what you need. You need a stocking cap, you need a needle and thread, you need a ponytail holder, you need your styling gel, you need your human hair extensions or your synthetic blend extensions in the texture you prefer. I'm literally cooking dinner while I'm filming this because us bosses just gotta get it done. So we're using the Miss Orgin designer mix, 3-piece plus a lace closure, which we will not be using. But if you guys are interested in how the lace closure looks, that's how the design says it looks. It has some nice brown lace in a U slit and a U shape. However, let's see what the lace closure is hitting for. Does it look like the picture? Yay or nay? And it looks, in this case, to look like the picture. Minus the lace is a tad bit dark, so if you are not fair skinned, if you are fair skinned, this may not work for you, or you can possibly put makeup on it. That's what it's looking like. Okay, but we're not using that. Okay, let's get into these bundles. So we have a 22-inch, a 20-inch, and an 18-inch. I'll let you guys see this bad boy undone. It's pretty fine, but I'm sure it's gonna look good when it's in the hair. I got the color 1B because my hair is not jet black. Not quite jet black, as you guys see here. This video is gonna be a chit chat, get ready with me. Just want to get to know you guys and kick it with you guys a little bit. So this is the hair. I want to get back to hair videos simply because they get the most views on my channel. Like, they take off. I have some videos at 62,000. I have some videos at 11,000. But anything hair related that I do seems to really take off. Even though I'm really passionate about speaking, I just want my channel to really grow and take off. So I'm going to just give you guys what you're liking. If you guys enjoy all of my content, just let me know down below, guys. One thing that supporters can do to support the YouTubers are pretty much like the videos and actually interact on them. Just comment, even if you like the way something looks, if you like my personality, it doesn't matter. If you want to support your favorite YouTuber, like, comment, and share. It really helps us get noticed, you guys. And I just wanted to talk to you guys about that. I think I'm going to double F it. So guys, I'm not going to be showing you guys the back, but you see how it's laid. I'm literally, just understand that I'm going to talk to you guys and let you see, but all I'm doing is laying side by side, side by side, side by side. So I'm going to actually get some rolls done, and then I'm going to come back and we'll chit chat some more. How about that? Okay girls, we're back. We've installed one pack of our Miss Orgin designer mix. As you guys see, I'm bringing it right to the edge. You can kind of see where that part is. I'm gonna lay them all the way up because eventually hair is gonna fall to the side and you won't be able to see. So I have no leave out whatsoever, and I'm gonna lay the tracks all the way up into the top. How are you guys just feeling like mentally? You know, are you guys okay? Was your new year good? Are you making the most of it if your new year wasn't the greatest? Like, just where are you guys at mentally? How are you guys feeling? I'm feeling so cute right now, honey. One thing about it, when I come to make my YouTube videos, I feel inspired, I feel motivated. When I come to give you the slayage, give you this motivation, these business ideas, just my opinion in general, when I actually come out here, I feel like I'm fulfilling my purpose. How do you guys feel about the comments that were made towards Ari Lennox and Teyana Taylor? How do you guys feel about that? If you don't know, I'm not gonna make it pop up on the screen because I want to get this video out to you guys, but a comment was basically made. The person who made the comment, they were pretty much saying that they're torn between, they're kind of conflicted with their feelings because Teyana Taylor and Ari Lennox have super sex appeal and they find them super sexually attractive, and unfortunately they look like pit bulls or Rottweilers. Like, what is your opinion on that? I, for one, think it's disgusting. I feel like Black women are not only overly sexualized, we're just, you know, sometimes, I don't know, sometimes we just get the short end of the stick. You know what I mean? I hate those comments because I, for one, I find Teyana Taylor to be sexy as fuck, beautiful as fuck, you know? I haven't seen a lot of Ari Lennox, but she's beautiful as well. Like, even naturally, even when she was, I saw the video clip of her, she looked beautiful and looked stunning then, you know? Yeah, but guys, I thought it was so negative. I thought, you know, here we go again. People are just very bold in their opinions on Black women and our features. And the part that really just amazes me is the whole world. Like, let's be real, the whole world. So many people go under the knife to have African American features. You know, beauty is beauty. I don't think nothing's wrong with surgery. I'm not coming at those people, but I also feel that to disrespect features that not only Black women predominantly have, you know, these features are celebrated when they're on a woman of a different nationality. And I just, you know, I hate that critics are so bold. I just hate that. If I can say anything, all women with Afro features, you guys are beautiful. You know what I mean? And I just hate that. What really broke my heart, honestly, is just how she kind of broke down on camera Ari Lennox. I was just like, oh my God, my heart hurts for her because it sucks, you know? We're human beings. These celebrities are exposing themselves and putting their lives out there, but they're human beings, you know? So let me know, guys. Let me know what you guys think about that. And I'm gonna continue slaying this hair so we can be done. I feel like, honey, I'm about to finesse this. I'm trying to think how I can keep playing with me. I will add this into my pony. I feel like, I don't know how thick this is gonna be. I think I'm gonna cut this down the middle. Cause I feel like my thing is about to be real weak. Like, just too, let's see something. Just feel like it's about to be too, thin. Can I finesse that? Okay, that might be finessable. Okay. Okay guys, as I wrap this ponytail, just bear with me. So what I'm gonna do, okay, as you see, like that's not enough for your girl. So I'm gonna place this right here. Actually, I'm gonna place a little thicker piece and I'm about to rig this ponytail. I'm gonna rig it. I'm gonna place this in here. Okay, like so. Tell me why we about to, we're gonna wrap this here. You see this? This is what we're doing. This is genius, right? I'm wrapping it. If you, honey, that ponytail was way too thin for my liking, so I had to finesse this. I split it right down the middle, guys. That is it. This is why we're hairstylists. Okay, so my piece is still over here. You see that we put the lace closure on. It was split, so we had it in a U shape. We placed that U shape right in the middle. And now I'm wrapping the other side of this closure around to meet the other side where I pinned it. And now we're gonna close this up with a ton of pins, okay? Just went from bald headed to thick as hell, okay? Thick, okay? Thick. Take a little bit. Okay, we're gonna brush it out. I hope y'all like how we just finessed that. I hope it's not too much hair, but it was just looking way too thin. Okay, we're gonna wrap. Smooth over all of that lace. Understand that you guys saw it here first. I taught you how to use every bit of hair. Honey, we just did that because that ponytail was looking skimpy. Really just finessed the style. We really finessed it. Whew, okay. Wow, it's beautiful. Let me just get all the kinks out. But yeah, I want my YouTube channel to grow this year significantly. And hair videos are the most popular, and I need videos that I can get out really quickly and not look like I'm cheating you guys, because I do hair very well, I'd like to say. And I can show you guys, you know, how I switch up my hair. However, it can be expensive, especially when you're posting every week. So I will be using my human hair extensions as well as synthetic hair sometimes. I'm switching my hair up every week and it just gets expensive. You can wear it this way, which I'm not because I don't want that track exposed. You can wear it to the side, like so. You can wear it to the opposite side. Thumbs up, guys, if that little hack I just taught you guys to cut that closure in half and add it to this ponytail, like this video if that gave you life, because it definitely gave me life. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it how I plan to wear it, and that's like so. I want to have all of it up top, and I want to make sure that my back is covered. Well, this wraps up this video, guys. I hope you like the outcome. I'll let you check it out. What? We gotta look. What? We slayed the synthetic hair, mama. We slayed it. Hair in my mouth. Yeah, so come back next week and who knows what we're gonna do. Then thumbs up this video, guys. If you like this kind of content and you want me to keep it coming, let your girl know so I can provide these things for you. But before I go, I want to remind you guys to wake up, pray, get pretty, hustle, and repeat. Your girl is out.